Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
Oh.
That was a cross jacket.
Oh my God.
That had to hurt.
Oh my God. I thought I was gonna make it. I don't think I'll be having any kids.
You want to try that again?
When I landed, I hit my elbow off a freaking rock.
You want to try it again? Are you kidding? You really can do it again?
Yeah, I just gotta get back by this one.
Oh, Val!
I don't think I'll be able to pee for the next week.
Val, here we go.
Right.
Just go. I'll show her the video.
I gotta get one.
Come on, jackass.
Huh?
Say, come on, jackass.
Oh my God, that hurts so much. I'm gonna be bruising there.
Is that your ears one?
I think so. Something like that.
All right.
Let me do it. I'll do it. Oh wait, that's a bad idea.
Yeah.
I fell.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, that hurts so bad.
That's what happened with me in that tent.
Trigger's fault.
I stepped on a tent and it was back underneath that.
Oh,
Ah. Your turn, Val.
I'm gonna do that. Cool.
Go.
Ah! It's easy. I can't step over that. How would you like that? Woo! Jump off the ear.
That was my jump.
You ready? I'm gonna jump over that pool on this bike.
Let's make a ramp.
I know.